Wow. Sheesh, that was pretty strange. A large crane was on top of that tree far away, and then it flew away. Not really sure where it flew away. The heck? Red shoulder hawk? What the heck? Did these blue jays scare them? Sheesh, Lexi girl, don't even know what's going on. And Limpkins are making their calls. And these annoying crows too. Sheesh. Looks like we got birds everywhere around the Rampage Forest. Come on, Lexi girl, let's get out of here, shall we? And I know you're looking around because it's a beautiful day in this Rampage Forest. Beautiful day, of course. But what makes all those birds come out here and make their calls for? Sheesh, the world may never know.